How y'all boys doing out there today, and gentlemen? I mean, ladies and gentlemen doing out there today? Hope y'all having a good day out there. I told y'all to make another video out here on the channel. And so that's what I done. I'm going to talk about what happened today. Alright, see, my buddy, I told him we was going to go hunting. Me and him's been wanting to go hunting for a while now, and I don't like to hunt whenever it's hot. I don't think there's many people does. Alright? And what really pissed me off is, well, didn't really piss me off, made me think, this fat ass right here, he's not a fat ass, but the dude I'm talking about, not gonna say no names, I told him to come. If he's wanting to come with me, he got to be up 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning. So I went by his house, well, his grandparents' house, the last 2 or 3 days in a row. And guess what? Nobody was up. I was like, man, forget about that shit. I texted him, hey, Casey. Yeah, his name's Casey. I say, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. He will not wake up for shit. He's a heavy sleeper, one of them. He sleep to a fucking bombing. You know what I'm saying? And, yeah. Before we get any further in things, get us a dip of grizz right here. My buddy, the one I'm talking about, he dips pouches. And again, thank you for Big R, who told me I need to start a new channel again. Shout out to him. And shout out to whoever the fuck else. You know what I'm saying? About to pack us a dip here on the channel. Alright. Hopefully y'all can hear me good enough. Let's get us a dip. Yee. If y'all dip, remember, tell me what y'all dip on in the comments. I like to figure this stuff out. Ain't got no problem with pouch dippers besides Casey Wayne Smith. In case any of y'all know him. He's my buddy, but he's a dickhead sometimes. About not waking up for deer hunting. He says he don't know how to skin a deer. I know that's a goddamn excuse. He just don't wake up that fucking early. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all got some buddies like that? Y'all leave them in the comments. I'll mention their names if you want me to. Alright. Further on in the story, I come by his house. He told me today, he said, his grandpa and them heard something revving up out there in the road. I said, yeah, motherfucker. Play my ass. Trying to get your ass up. He can't wake up for shit. The goddamn house can be burning down, the motherfucker won't wake up. Swear to God. You flash a big old dick in his face, holy moly. I'm kidding about that. So yeah. I got out there about 4:30 in the morning. This was, yesterday, the day before yesterday morning. 2 does. What the fuck? They before that big old buck, son. I wasn't even out there 3 minutes after daylight. Big old 6-pointer. And I was thinking, oh, fuck yeah. I'm fixing to nail this motherfucker. And my heart got to pumping. At that 300. He was about 50 yards out. Thought, man, oh man, oh man. You know that feeling you get when you're about to get you a big buck? I'm going to have to record it one day. No, I don't think it's rifle season right now. Yeah, I did it anyways. Don't we all? I mean, shit. I got out there. That motherfucker's like 50 yards away. I looked at my scope. Got it sighted in. Boom! Dropped that son of a bitch. In his goddamn tracks. Okay. This goddamn thing, he wasn't getting it to go take a piss somewhere else. That's where he goddamn laid. Man, oh man, oh man. I threw him on the back of that 500 Rubicon. Yeah, I don't know how goddamn proud I felt driving real with motherfucker, but I think it's like a 12 point. Alright. Yeah. That may have been yesterday morning. I got 12 point. Well, I got out there yesterday morning. About 4 o'clock. Yeah. It was a good day. Seen a couple squirrels on the way out. Got the old little 22 out and popped in. 2 squirrels. I'll tell y'all the squirrel story first. Me and the deer on the back of the four-wheeler with the buck. I don't like to say deer. Buck hunting, not deer hunting. Almost far. You see the deer this morning? Yes, shot a big old 12 point. Shot a 16 point, 12 point, 13 point, 14 point. I didn't shot one fucking stub on it. What the fuck you call him? And I like to say buck hunting. You going doe hunting? Yeah, I'm going doe hunting. I do hunt does, but it's very, very, very fucking rare. I really have to want to go hunting if I can't wait for buck season. You know what I'm saying? I believe in not shooting does because does bring your big bucks in. Man, it's 3:34 in the morning. Yeah, my buddy, he can't. Never had the ball. Well, I said he's weird. He likes to sleep a little bit. I figured he should be up right now. I'll text him and see. My daddy and them all them drunk. I think they went spotlighting, but yeah, we don't tell nobody that. Just send him a text, see if he's up. And I'm like, God damn, I'm make sure this motherfucker's recording audio. Oh yeah, she's wide open. Alright. See, I shot them 2 little squirrels in the head. 22 mag. And you always got happy 22 Magnum. Some people don't like 22 Magnums. I don't see why the fuck they don't, but hell fuck, it's their opinion. My buddy here, he's too scared to shoot 12 gauge. He is. I don't see why. I've been shooting 12 gauges since I was 11 years old. First gun I ever shot, I was 5 years old, 410 single shot. I stuck with that in 22 till I turned 6. Turned 6, got a 20 gauge pump. outgrew that way too fucking fast. Then I got a 16 gauge till I was like 11 years old. Well, I was shooting 12 gauges at 10. But I never really had one of my own. So I turned 11. My first ever deer rifle was 223 bolt action by Savage. And I really liked that little damn thing, but it just wouldn't do the damn job. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't put a big boom to it, you know what I'm saying? I had to have something that did the job. So, of course, I went to Daddy. I said, Daddy, 223 ain't big enough. He said, well, we could put a 45 in the 14. I said, that's not going to do the job. So he said,